we have arrived in Thieu. We're about, I don't know, a bunch of kilometers outside of Paris now. And we're going to Disneyland today and tomorrow and the day after. So next 3 days. Yeah, we have the best weather. Let me show you. We've got, whoa, bit of a drizzle going on, don't we? Yeah, but apart from that, honestly, I'm excited. Obviously, we're gonna film a little bit, so everyone gets to see what it's like there. It's our first time, and yeah, we'll try to be a bit early today. It's 7:30 right now. We try to be there at around like 8:30, and yeah, hopefully we'll get in there early before the crowds, and then we'll see. All right, see you again when we're probably standing in line.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like
Oh yeah. This is perfect.
you are like me. And I am like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta try.
We missed the beautiful sundown.
I'm so upset about it.
We're trying to catch the fireworks. Hopefully that still works. Ooh, bubbles.
You don't have to be